his family with an axe. Stacked them neatly in one of the rooms of the West Wing, and then he put both barrels of a shotgun in his mouth. Police, they thought that it was what the old-timers used to call cabin fever.
Trippiemane. R.I.P. Betty White. Yeah, I did my shadow, now I'm about to have to black you out, fucking kill you. Yeah, my menace to South Central, but I'm fucking rolling through Central Zone. What's with your hood, bro? I'll burn you. Yeah, it's almost 2022. 2021, I'm looking back like fuck you. What's new with this next year? I can leave you fucking old and fucking dried up like a yearbook. Yeah, I'm a known crook. On the block, I got fucking known hooks. No, it's just another move. I don't even go by no book. I write my own life and smoke my own white. Yeah, motherfucker, I knock you out every night. I'm chilling like it's fucking Friday night. And I'm saying R.I.P. to Betty White. Yeah, homie. Fuck with me. I'll leave you fucking cold and lonely. Yeah, call me the disposal man. Empty out like a green bin. I empty out my cartridge like Nintendo. And I blaze that Indo. I'm sitting paranoid, so I'm looking out my fucking window. Axe murderer, yo. Yeah, I'm smoking on this weed, it's fucking burgundy, yo. I can see burgundy with my flow. Rip you up like fucking G.I. Joe. Anti-hero.